This truly is one of the most gorgeous regal design in our luxury bridal collection. It is an exquisite headpiece that sparkles so beautifully in the light, and it is also quite minimalistic and modern for a bride who desires something a little bit more simplistic but highly sophisticated and very, very elegant. It sits so beautifully. Look how it sparkles. It sits so beautifully on the head. It is not too big, but it is very captivating and very noticeable. I absolutely adore it. It is truly a design that will help you elevate your bridal look to a whole new level of style and glamour. If you'd like yours, check us out on Etsy at My Soulmate Wedding On, and we'll be thrilled to assist you.